Are you ready to make money online? Stay tuned because in today's video, you can earn thousands of dollars within a week. You've heard that right. And we will show you how you can effortlessly set this up so by the end of this video, you'll essentially be a pro and on the way to financial independence. We know that videos involving several websites might be complicated and confusing. But stay with us because this video is especially for beginners who have never made money online. Follow all of the instructions in this video and you will be successful in no time. Before we go further into this video, welcome to Millionaire Mindset, where we give you ways and advice to achieve financial freedom. We will show you how to make money quickly in a few moments by presenting the best and most effective platforms. So if you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video until the end. With this new video, keep in mind that we release new content about making money online daily. So make sure you stay tuned whenever we release new content so you can be the first to try it out. For the first website in this video, we want you to visit moonbitcoins.com. It is a platform that allows people to mine Bitcoin for free. It is also made and managed through the cloud, so you won't have to use any of your computer's resources. It's actually effortless to start earning here. You just need to go to their homepage and log in using your wallet address. Copy the required information from Coinbase, Binance, or your Kucoin account, and then paste it here. Once you have successfully logged in, a new window will open which will show you your new dashboard. The next step is to click on this green button that says Start Bitcoin Mining. It will automatically begin by loading these terminals, and every green line you see equals a certain amount of Bitcoin. All of these will be added to your balance immediately. Now, you don't have to do anything more because this works on complete autopilot. You just have to make sure you don't close the mining window or your progress will be lost. In the text that appear on your screen, you can see the amount you gain and the speed at which you received it. And basically allowing the site more time for collecting crypto will lead you to more money. But there are more ways to earn on this website. Let us introduce you to them. First, directly below the start button is the blue push button. This opens a new section that enables you to gather an hourly bounty. You just need to check on this tab every hour and you'll earn free Bitcoin. There are also daily bonuses which you can collect every 24 hours. The crypto you receive from these extras is directly sent to your account and can be immediately exchanged for anything you want. In just a few steps, you'll earn thousands of dollars with this strategy, and you wouldn't require any resource, skill, or knowledge. You can leave the site in the background and continue working on the things you need to do. And since it operates on the cloud, you can accomplish this using any desktop or laptop you have. Once you're satisfied with the Bitcoin you've mined, you can just click on the withdraw button. Since you have already entered your address, you will need to input an amount. Finally, click on confirm and your money will be sent to your wallet. BitcoinTora.online is the second website for today. It works just like Moon Bitcoins and accepts the same wallet you used on the previous mining platform. And it is also on the cloud, so you can say that you wouldn't risk or require much of your resources. Bitcoin Tora, Bitcoin miner script, was developed by crypto enthusiasts in 2018. They aim to create a free, simple, secure Bitcoin mining platform for enthusiasts. Now this website can be accessed anywhere in the world. Users will only need a stable internet connection and a device for this to work. Once you have opened their homepage, you can see this video showing a tutorial about this website and its processes. Scrolling down a bit, you'll see the advantages of using BitcoinTora.online, including their instant and daily payouts. Near the bottom of this page, there is also a section for testimonials and reviews. To start, click on this button that says Start Mining. It will lead you to a new page where you can select between Bitcoin and Ethereum. Then you'll have to input your wallet address just like in Moon Bitcoins. You also have to enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to mine before clicking this green box. After that, the process will start right away. Much like the previous platform, Bitcoin Tora works on autopilot, so you can leave it on and it will earn money for you. Everything is automatic and you can also see the progress that it has made. This line, for example, says that in just a few seconds you have earned 0.02 BTC. That amount of Bitcoin is equivalent to $400, which proves that this is an excellent earning potential. Do you like this video? Don't be shy and hit the like and subscribe buttons. And if you find this video helpful and entertaining, share your thoughts with us in the comments below. The third crypto mining website offers the lowest mining fee and a comprehensive security system among the other great features they have. To learn more about this site, visit Kucoin.com. If you search for the reviews about Kucoin, you will only find great ones just like this rating of 4.4 stars out of 5. You can see the same results on Google Play Store and the App Store. Kucoin has a score of 4.6 stars from over 5 million downloads. And just as we said, we'll get crypto here not by trading, but through mining either Ethereum or Bitcoin. You can see here the value of the biggest cryptocurrency in US dollars, which only comes in 5 digits or more. As for new users, signing up right now will give you $500. The registration process is very easy. You just need to fill out the information required in this section. You can use your phone number or email for confirmation, and once it is verified, you can enter your password and hit sign up. Before we walk you through the process of mining Bitcoin and Ethereum pools, you may as well look at this poster. There is an ongoing contest for newcomers called Treasure Coin Carnival. You can join this and have a guaranteed prize share from a total amount of $250,000 in BTC. Like the first two websites, Kucoin works entirely on the cloud, so you don't have to worry about using your device's resources. They ensure high mining income using smart pool or merge mining. They also guarantee that they have accurate and on-time hash rate data and a robust security system. Kucoin currently supports a number of currencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and even Bitcoin Cash. So you can simply select one of these and start earning. Suppose you want to explore more about their process and methods, there's a tutorial about the BTC hash rate connecting. It has steps complete with photos and a detailed explanation of how you should do the strategy. Now we can proceed to log in and go to the cloud mining section. It will redirect you to a dashboard where you will see all of your earnings and orders. Everything that has been mined for you will be listed here as well. The crypto you've earned can be sold and transferred into another wallet, or you can just keep it. Ultimately, you do anything with it anytime because Kucoin offers a unique daily payout. Just so you know, there are already 5 million users that are making a lot of money with this method. Some accomplish it even on their smartphones because you can mine crypto as long as you have stable internet connection. Soon, mining will not be possible, so we recommend grabbing this opportunity right now. However, if you still have doubts, you can always counter-check these websites on the internet. You are also free to do your own research about them and know which is the best fit for you. Last but not the least, let's discuss Nexo.io. It still is a cloud mining website, but what makes it stand out is the 18% annual interest offer. Once you are done mining, you can keep it here and let it grow. Or you may also choose to withdraw it in an instant because they also have a daily payout option. You wouldn't have to wait long nor pay for anything because of the zero fees. All it takes is a few clicks and you'll be on your way to earning thousands of bucks every day. That's all for now. Feel free to watch this video again to serve as a guide as you start to earn money online. What do you think about these websites? Does it seem like an excellent opportunity to make money online? Do you think it will be able to replace primary income jobs in the future? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. If you love similar concepts like this, make sure to take a look at our other videos. If you like it, please hit the like button, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to keep yourself updated. We'll see you in the following video.